Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to insert a SIM card on the Redmi Note 14. So for me, I have the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply on the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So the first things first, ensure that you have a SIM ejector tool. So this is the SIM ejector tool, ensure that you have it. And in case if you don't have a SIM ejector tool, you can simply use a paper clip. Now the next thing is locate the SIM card tray on your Redmi Note 14. So the SIM card tray is located at the bottom of the phone. This is the SIM card tray. It's located at the bottom of the phone. Now once you locate the SIM card tray, all you have to do is simply grab the SIM ejector tool and insert it in this SIM card tray hole. So simply insert the SIM ejector tool on that hole. And once you insert it, all you have to do is simply apply some pressure on it to pop out the SIM card tray. So as you can see, the SIM card tray has popped out. And then all you have to do is simply remove the SIM card tray from the phone. So simply pull it out, and there you go. So this is the SIM card tray on the Redmi Note 14. So for this phone, it supports dual SIM, so you can add up to 2 SIMs. So the next step is simply grab your SIM card and place it on the SIM card tray. So ensure that the SIM card gold face is facing on top. So simply put it in or align it on the SIM card tray. Sorry, let's try that again. So there you go. So place the SIM card on the tray and ensure that the SIM card is flush with the SIM card tray. So there you go. You have placed the first SIM card. So if you want to place the second SIM card, all you have to do is flip over the SIM card tray and you have another slot. So grab the next SIM card and simply place it on the SIM card tray. So ensure that the gold face is facing upwards. So simply slide it in and ensure that it is flush with the SIM card tray. So there you go. You have added both SIM cards. Now once you have added the SIM cards, all you have to do is simply insert the SIM card back into your Redmi Note 14. So simply insert it and then apply some pressure on it and ensure that the SIM card tray is flush with your phone. Now once you have inserted the SIM card, it should automatically pick up the network. So as you can see at the top, if you swipe down, you can see the SIM card names. There's the Telcom SIM card, and the Airtel SIM card. Alternatively, you can simply open settings, and then within the settings, you can select mobile networks. And now you can see both your SIM cards have been detected. So that's basically it on how to insert a SIM card on the Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.